Hello everyone, this is Ross with Market Traders Daily, and this is today's video analysis for December 10, 2019. Today we're looking at the NZDUSD, the New Zealand dollar, versus the US dollar for today's trade analysis. I've scooted the chart over a little bit here on the daily time frame so we can see some history around the price levels that we're at right now. You look back here where the black boxes are on the left-hand side, and you can see price action, resistance and support between the green zone at the top, which is 65.65 down to 65.55. That's the green zone. And then the yellow zone at the bottom of the black boxes near the 65.10, 64.95 level, the yellow shaded area. And so resistance and support, and that's where we are right now. We're holding under resistance, which is that green shaded area. Something else about the green zone that I think bears noting: Fibonacci from the top to bottom of the blue trend line. Taking a Fibonacci measurement of that blue trend line puts the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement level at 65.66, which again is the top of our green shaded area. So let's go ahead and put an arrow there as resistance into the green zone and the 618 fib of the blue trend line. And of course, as we know, the yellow zone is our next significant support. So as it stands right now, I don't think buying underneath the green zone makes a whole lot of sense for the New Zealand dollars. Obviously, for the past 1, 2, 3, 4 days, found resistance under that green zone, 65.65, 0.6555. So buying underneath there, not really part of the scheme for the day today. The best thing would potentially be to look for shorts there. You could be looking for an intraday short in 65.55, targeting back down to the yellow zone. It's off of it already. We've come 20 pips off of it already, so if you didn't do that, that's okay. Another little bump into there may be an opportunity to take a short if you're looking for an intraday short here. But if you're looking to trade the direction of the trend, which is predominantly bullish here for the New Zealand dollar, I think this is beginning to become a potential opportunity, because historically the yellow zone is support. So if we dip down to 65.10 or so, which is only about 20-25 pips lower, we would be looking for support and the potential for a long in the direction of the trend. Let's take one more Fibonacci just for kicks. Let's take Fibonacci from the bottom of the black and blue trend line down here at the bottom of the chart to our current resistance high. And we find the 0.236 fib sitting here at the yellow shaded area, and the 382 of that range, let's see if I can get this orange shaded area selected, is down here at the orange zone. So that's interesting. Yellow zone with Fibonacci, orange zone with Fibonacci, which is obviously down here closer to the black trend line. So the deeper it goes, becomes a potential long opportunity for the New Zealand dollar. There's other fibs we could take here. We could also take it from this low, and I'll just put a circle where I'm talking about. This low here where the circle is, let's take Fibonacci from there to the resistance high, and that also gives us a clue of Fibonacci just underneath the yellow zone and towards the orange zone. So as it approaches the yellow zone, we could have opportunities for buying the New Zealand dollar in the direction of the trend. So we have two things to think about. Either we have potential short intraday short opportunities opposite of the trend into the green shaded area, which is again 65.55, or we could be looking for long opportunities as it makes dips down to support near the 0.6510, 495 yellow shaded area, maybe even as deep as 64.4030, the orange zone, as we look to trade in the direction of the trend for the New Zealand dollar today.
From Forex Traders Daily, this has been your daily analysis with Ross Mullins. If you would like to get Ross's analysis on all the currency pairs he's watching and all the trades he takes today, join him in his live trade room by clicking on the link below. Please leave any comments you have about today's video in the comments section below.